Introduction. I think it is important to highlight the importance of quality assurance, QA, and quality control, QC, procedures in mining and exploration. In this blog, I will go into detail about the distinctions between quality assurance, QA, and quality control, QC, discuss the value of implementing a set of QA measures within a business, and offer a step-by-step tutorial for implementing successful QA measures. 1. Recognizing the difference between QA and QC. Although QA and QC are sometimes used interchangeably, it is important to understand the differences between these two vital aspects of quality control. Assurance of quality, QA. The term quality assurance, QA, describes the methodical procedures and actions used to guarantee that the intended quality standards are fulfilled during a project. To avoid errors or mistakes, it entails creating and putting into place reliable protocols, standard operating procedures, SOPs, and techniques. Control of quality, QC. Conversely, quality control, QC, entails conducting scheduled quality assurance processes. Its primary objectives are to track and assess the caliber of measurements, data, and analytical procedures. Careful inspections, data validation, and the use of statistical methods to find and fix any inconsistencies are how quality control, QC, operations are conducted.
2. The significance of putting QA measures in place. 2.1. Assurance of credibility and reliability. QA procedures are essential for creating credibility and reliability for the industry and for the organization. Companies may maintain exacting standards of precision, accuracy, and consistency in their data, analysis, and reporting by following strict QA policies. 2.2. Risk mitigation and cost savings. Using a thorough suite of quality assurance procedures can assist reduce the risks related to erroneous data, flawed analyses, and non-compliance. Early error detection and correction reduces the need for expensive rework and other setbacks, saving time and money. 2.3. Enhancing investor confidence. Investors want proof that the data supporting their investments is solid and dependable. Putting in place efficient QA procedures strengthens openness, enhances data integrity, and boosts investor trust in the company's decision-making procedures and results.
3. How to implement a strong set of quality assurance measures. In order to create a robust quality assurance system in your company, take into consideration the following methodical approach. 3.1. Perform a thorough analysis of the gaps. Start by carefully assessing your current procedures, standard operating procedures, and practices to find any weaknesses. Examine the particular dangers and difficulties that your business and the sector it serves are facing. 3.2. Create and put into practice QA procedures. Create and execute specialized QA processes that support business goals, legal requirements, and industry best practices based on the results of the gap analysis. These procedures have to cover every phase of gathering, analyzing, and reporting data. 3.3. Train staff. Make sure all employees have a thorough understanding of QA concepts, practices, and processes by offering extensive training sessions. A culture of quality and accountability will be fostered inside the business through ongoing education and awareness-building activities. 3.4. Create procedures for record-keeping and documentation. Keep thorough records of all QA techniques, processes, and results. To make audits, reviews, and investigations easier, when necessary, keep detailed records of all data gathering, analysis, and reporting processes. This will provide ongoing enhancement and allow for the application of acquired knowledge in subsequent endeavors. 3.5. Examine and update frequently QA indicators. It is not advisable to have rigid QA indicators. Rather, they must be reviewed on a regular basis in order to include updates and adjust to changing industry standards, laws, and technology. Get input from stakeholders and employees to make sure processes continue to be effective.
In summary, for mining and exploration enterprises, putting in place a comprehensive set of quality assurance systems is crucial. Quality assurance, QA, reduces risks and encourages cost reductions, while guaranteeing data reliability, accuracy, and trustworthiness. Through the implementation of efficient quality assurance procedures and a methodical approach, businesses may become leaders in their respective fields, garner trust from financiers, and create a solid basis for long-term and prosperous operations.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.